microjig matchfit clamp system holder. Oh, I have one more here. It's a keychain and also a you can, if you're working in here, so your microjig is right here, you can move it. And the biggest clamp in the world 2.0. Wait for my review on this one. Man, this one is just, you can remove it like this, you know, like that, and you have a system. It's right here on top of my assembly table, right there. Underneath also I have a storage over here. Put my storage underneath, so it will fit, I think, 3 or 4 in line. One, there you go.